Our next question is question number 10. So what we can do here, if we can simply apply the first apply the formula over here. It is x square minus 1. This is basically the exercise of 7.5 and NCERT book. So we are going to apply the formula over here, x square minus 1. We can simply write over here because the very less space this questions needs a large space. So we are applying x square minus a square. The formula, it is x minus 1 x plus 1, and this is 2x plus 3. So this is so these are the three terms. So we simply the click idea, what is the partial by partial fraction. So we are applying here partial fraction is 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1, and this is x plus 1, and this is 2x plus 3. Okay, so here we are going to apply the partial fractions, a by x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 1 and plus c by 2x minus plus 3. Okay, so we are going to take the LCM of this equation. So what is the LCM of this equation? Is x minus 1, and this is x plus 1, and this is 2x plus 3. So we are going to apply the LCM. So this is a, so what the term over here in the multiply is x plus 1, and this is 2x plus 3, and this is b. So we are going to apply x minus 1 and 2x plus 3, and this is c. So what is the term of c is x square minus 1. We can simply write this equation by multiply over here. So it is 2x minus 3 in the denominator 2x plus 3. So it is coming out, it's cancel out, so we don't need to anything. So what we can do here is we are going to see this. If you put the value of x equal to 1, this become term 0, this become term 0. So if you put the value of x equals to 1, so it is coming out as a minus 1. So if equals to 1, it is only 1. This term is 2 into 5, it is 10. So 10a, the value of a is minus 1 by 10. What is the value of b? If you put the value of b, it is minus 1, x equals to minus 1, this becomes 0, this become also 0. If you putting the value of minus 1 in the both the equations, so it's come out minus 2 and minus 3, it is minus 5. Okay, and over here it is minus 1. If you put the value of minus 1, it is coming out 1. Here it is minus 1, it's minus 2, so it is minus 2b only this term. So what is the value of b is 5 by 2. And if you put the value of x equals to 0, so we get this c. Okay, in the both the equation we are putting x equals to 0. It is minus 3 is equals to 0, 0, it is 3a. Okay, and if you put the value of 0 over here, it is minus 3b. Okay, it is minus c. So we need to find the value of c. So we know that already, so the value of a and b. So we put the value of c. We can separate this term. C is coming out in this right side, and all the other sides we are seeing this 3 is a common. So it is a minus b plus 1. C is equals to 3. What is the value of a? It is minus 1 by 10. It is 5 by 2. It is plus. So we can simply take the LCM of 10. It is coming out minus 10, minus 1 and plus 10. So it is minus 1 and minus to 25. It's coming out 25. Okay, and this is plus 10. What is coming out? 16 by 10. So see what is coming out? 3.16 minus 16 and by 10, it is 8 by 5 or 24. Okay, so it overall is coming out 24 by 5. So we can simply put the value over here. What is the value of a? 1 by 10 x minus 1, and what is the value of b? B is 5 by 2. 5 by 2, 1 upon x plus 1. And what is the value of c? C, it is minus 24 by 5 of 2x plus 3. Okay, so if you integrate these equations, okay, यहाँ पे dx होगा. This is common term, so this is constant term, so we come outside from integration. So this is dx, this is dx, sorry for it. So we are applying here formula. It is log of x minus 1, or it is 5 by 2 log of x plus 1, or it is 24 by 5 log of 2x plus 3. Okay, So this is basically the answer of these questions. Might be in the your textbook answers they are applying the log property over here. So there is some slight difference. So let me check. The question number is 10. Okay, 5 by 2 log of x plus 1 minus. Okay, the full is right. Okay, so a little bit change here. It is 2, so multiply by 2 over here. Okay, sorry for it. So guys, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and see you on the next video. Till now, tada, bye bye.